between the moves, we managed to install bird spikes on our boat.
This is the line that you're gonna need to do to lower me on. Against the winch, which will provide friction too, because you're going against the drum rotation, you know? So you'll have some friction here, and you'll have friction on me. This is just sitting here to hold this on. So you undo this, and then this is just a regular dock cleat. So you can control, once you undo this, you have a free end. You can loosen it and use this to friction to lower me, just like you would on a dock, yes? You understand? And
but I don't have to do this.
You shouldn't have to.
Shouldn't have to.
But what you can do is you can stand here, control the line, open the clutch, and let the rope run around this, and you control it here to lower me down. This connects to there. You see a tension? So this is going to be on my waist, and I'm going to have the ascender here, which will also be attached to me. So I'm attached to two independent strands now. You can lower me off of this by releasing that. You can't lower me on this one. So if I can't ungrip the ascender, you can't get me down. I'm stuck on this line. I either have to ungrip the ascender or cut myself off of it. Then I could get lowered on this line. But if you try to lower me on this line, all that's going to happen is you're going to transfer my weight to this line on the ascender, and I'm not going to go anywhere.
That doesn't sound as easy as you described yesterday. Yesterday you described it like it's gonna be 1, 2, 3. You're able to do that all by yourself.
I am.
Yeah.
This is if I get incapacitated.
Oh, okay, that's an emergency.
This is if I can get up and down.
We're describing that this is an emergency way.
Yeah, I can get up and down all on my own.
Yeah.
That's the whole point.
Yeah. So Michael used to do rock climbing, and he's using his rock climbing gear to go up and down the mast. He rigged everything the way that he is able to do it all by himself. Michael is up there managing bird spikes. We are trying to install bird spikes on the sprouters today. It's a little windy, but it looks like it's working pretty well. He's done climbing before. I'm down here managing the bucket, so I'm sending bird spikes up with the bucket to him. Every time boats go by, they create wakes, some more than the others, and the mast is the most unfortunate place to be when the boat is rolling. Job is done.
Half done.
Unfortunately, the wind and traffic picked up in the afternoon, and we had to come back to do the second side on the other day. Done with the bird spikes? All done.
One side has zip ties in the wrong spots. You got an extra tie.
Birds will not care.
No.
They will not.
I did left, right, center, and then I was like, that's not quite enough. 3 is not enough, so then I put 2 more on. So one of them has 5. The rest of them have 4. Now I gotta let my legs recover.
The following weekend we came back for our kitten and some very last items to bring to the boat.
She does look fat, doesn't she? Maybe she doesn't need wet food.
So we've been out about a week on the boat, but the cat was at home, and we came back this weekend to pick her up. So she will be the last to move. Last to move. So she will be coming with us, and she will see the boat for the first time. So we'll see how she fares. Well, today is the day we're moving our kitten. We took last items that I think we're bringing to the boat, and yeah, we're taking our kitten, and she's not happy. She doesn't like to move. She's all stressed out. Hi, pretty kitten.
Or I could do that.
Yeah.
That's better. See, you're not trapped anymore.
She's okay. Her eyes are so like, what is happening?
She's definitely not okay.
No, she's puffed. She's stressed out.
Let's give her a minute. Let's let the AC run. It's either stress, it's heat, it's a lot of things.
I have headache from moving.
Yeah.
Like I'm not feeling myself anymore. When is it gonna be over?
April 1st.
Yeah.
Joke.
Ow. She finally seemed to be calmed down and adjusting herself to her new place. wonder what she thinks right now. Where am I?
Stairs.
Stay there.
Oh, she's gonna go sit in our bed. Oh, we can close that door.
Locked.
She's going down the other side now.
Yeah.
These are steeper stairs than she's used to.
Okay. Feast. So today we are going to the dock to fill our tanks. We are out of water and down on the engine diesel. We're gonna leave our mooring and we're gonna go to the dock, and it's gonna be our first time docking. And we're just going right there. Yep, they're leaving.
I can see that now.
In the mooring field, headed towards number 7.
St. Aug Municipal, St. Aug Municipal.
Best Hailing, go ahead.
We're wondering if we could come into the fuel dock in a few minutes and tank up.
Roger that, Captain. You come in front of the large blue picnic launch. It looks like a starboard side tie, but you're bound to the current.
Roger that, we're set up for starboard tie. That. That's a hard day's work right there.
We were attraction for when we were picking up mooring.
People looking at us.
Yeah,
You don't notice because you're focusing on
the guy right there,
Was this
right up front.
Bella.
Yeah, them. he went on the bow, on what is it?
Stern.
On the stern.
I looked at for a second. I didn't see him.
And
he must have come out.
He stayed and watched us.
Well, we got it first try.
Picking up
We
mooring.
look like pros.
We look like a pros.
First try.
Yay! High five.
There was a decent amount of wind today, and
Yeah.
current too. We had a nice crosswind.
Cat was behaving.
She seems okay. I brought her up to the hill. 2%.
Oh, 2%.
2%.
2% for shower. Yay. Kitten, do you want to shower?